Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail application, which of course you've done right here. So where exactly or how exactly can you download Yahoo Mail? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, click on the open button and that's going to take you to the sign up page where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. Click on that and that takes you over here where you have other options which include upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus. You have add another mailbox, you have manage accounts, you have notifications, you have settings, and you have feedback. Click on manage account and that takes you to the next window. Now Yahoo Mail is highly security sensitive, so the information on this page will not be displayed, but I'm going to show you what you're going to do. So over here, you're going to see use this account in Yahoo Mail and you have your account displayed there. And under your account, you have account info. Now click on account info and it takes you to the next window. So in the next window, you're going to see overview, personal info, security, and recent activity. Click on security and then you have to confirm your identity. And that's going to take you over to the next window. Now in this window, this is where you're going to add a two-step verification. Now you're going to find password, a couple of categories, and they include password, two-step verification, fixed fingerprint pin, and sign in. So head over to two-step verification and click on turn on. It says prevent others from accessing your account by adding a second step to the sign-in process. Once you click on turn on, it takes you to the next window. We have a couple of methods that you need to choose. You can choose push notifications, you can choose your phone number, you can choose the authenticator app, and you can choose the security key. Now, whichever one you choose, select them. And after selecting it, let's say I'm selecting my phone number, I can click on phone number and select the phone number, and you're going to get a text with a verification code to confirm your phone number. And that's how your two-step verification using your phone number will be activated. All right, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.